Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You'll start by turning on picture-in-picture so the system can float videos. This is a permission step. Open Settings, go to Apps, then Special Access and choose Picture-in-Picture. Enable the apps you plan to use. Note some services require a subscription. Once done, open a supported app, play a video, and press Home. The video should shrink into a floating window. This immediate action confirms the setting. If it doesn't appear, double-check the app's PIP toggle. Now you'll learn how to control and tailor the PIP experience so it works for your workflow. Drag the floating window to any corner and pinch to resize. Smaller is great for messaging, larger for detailed viewing. Tap the overlay to reveal play, pause, close, or a return to app arrow. Use those to switch context quickly. Remember, picture-in-picture floats over whatever app you open, which is different from split screen, where two apps share the display side by side. Finish by learning how to exit and fix common issues so PIP stays reliable. To close the floating window, tap Close. To resume full screen, tap the return icon in the overlay. If you want PIP off, open Settings and disable it per app. If picture-in-picture won't appear, make sure the app has overlay permission and that battery optimization isn't killing background playback. Disabling optimization for that app or rebooting usually resolves it. If problems persist,
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.